Well, having a web-based system such as EADOC allows us to interface with project managers, construction managers, architects, the client, the contractor, and so we find that as a significant advantage. Everybody has one location that they can go and look at the documents.
From a management standpoint of a project, it helps speed up responses received or from architects or consultants. Also, we can check. A lot of times if you don't have any record when things were sent or opened, people will claim that, hey, I never got this information, but EADOC keeps track of that to the second. So you can always go back and check what happened.
EADOC allows our consultants as well as ourselves to answer questions and resolve problems quicker because we can put it on the system and it's uploaded instantly and everyone gets a notification of when a status is changed in EADOC. And we collaborate on RFIs, on submittals, on inspection reports and requests, memos and meeting minutes, as well as PCOs. For example, I use it for our weekly meetings and I run RFI and submittal reports, and I'm able to customize that, for specific items. Like if I want to only show outstanding submittals at a revisory submit, I can do that for, a week. Or if I want to do it for the entire project, it gives me that capability.
I think it minimizes the time that you spend with documents, so you can concentrate more on resolving issues than trying to figure out where the paper flows and if you file something or not.
It makes our document management and our correspondence much easier. You can chain link multiple documents together, and I think that's great because that way if a user, say someone from the owner side, from the district wants to go in and they need to see a history on like a PCO or a change order, we can chain link the RFI that initiated it. We can chain link the PCO that tracks the cost that's associated with that change, and we can also chain link any ASIs or any supplemental drawings or instructions that were linked to it. So that's a very nice feature because you can keep everything all together and someone can open up any one of those items and they're all linked together and they can see everything else that's associated with it.
From my perspective, we're using PCOs, which are proposed change orders, and we do projections in the system where we track potential changes that haven't been identified basically from the contractor, but at least we track potential items that cost money to the district. But the main thing is that it's the quickness that it takes to send information.
The other thing that I like about the product is at the end of the day, you get a flash drive of all the documents related to the project and you're able to just turn that over to the public agency. So when this project finishes, again, we'll just be able to turn over the flash drive to the client and say, here's everything from the start to finish of the construction. And so you don't have to make a lot of hard copies, which again saves a lot of time and money. So that's one of the features I really like.